Welcome back. In coming weeks, Business Resource will sit down with remarkable women who run regional Chamber of Commerces. Our first, Rhonda Slade, President and CEO of the Prince George's Chamber of Commerce.
My first full year, I guess, as CEO, and we really have been involved legislatively and with a lot of things that happened in Annapolis. Got an opportunity to testify in Annapolis on House Bill 923, which was signed into law, which of course shortens the amount of time that it takes for MBE certification to be processed. That will be a great help for a lot of minority business owners throughout the state. We held several events to give opportunities for our members to connect and to network.
To create jobs, to save jobs, and to improve the conditions and the quality of life that allow our businesses, large, small, family-owned and publicly traded, to be able to create jobs.
But we also launched a new series of events this year called Political Impact, and those have really been effective in allowing the current elected officials to meet and to talk with the business community and vice versa. And the continuing our Business Success Series, which was something that we started this past year. It's been very successful. It's held in the office. We always go to Annapolis to interact with our legislators, and so we took another bus. First Priority Trailways provided bus service for us to get to Annapolis and interact and network with the legislators. We had a packed house. It was another great event.
You know, we just pretend it's just going to go away. We're going to wake up one day and it's just going to all snap in place, and it doesn't happen that way.
And of course, our women's conference. This was the first year that we've done that, Spring Fling, Women in Business, and it was an all-day session at the Newton White Mansion where we had women speakers from different areas throughout the state and come out to speak to other women business owners, and it was and women in business, and it was really an empowering and uplifting day. We are proud of the fact that this year we did have over 150 new members to join us. A couple of notables that are focused on the whole job creation piece would be Ackerman Security. They've come in to the county and brought plans to hire close to 200 new people within the next 6 months, as well as Wegmans, which will be opening in October of 2010, and they've already begun the hiring process, as well as the small businesses that have just begun this year, because a lot of people, a lot of the new members that have joined us are brand new businesses, and we're excited about their faith and their hope to move forward, and we're here to help them to continue to grow.